If you want to hard reset your iPhone 17 Pro or Pro Max, we have a couple of ways that allow you to do so. The first method is to open Settings. Next, in Settings, choose General, and if you scroll all the way down, you should be able to find Transfer or Reset iPhone. So select this option and then choose Erase All Content and Settings. After that, we have the summary of everything that will be removed, which is pretty much everything. This includes your Apple account and eSIM and all apps and data, of course. So remember to make a backup of everything that is important that you don't want to lose by accident. And once you are ready, press continue and follow the rest of the instructions. Also, if you try to sign out of your Apple account, then you have the option to erase the data. So if I choose sign out over here, as you can see, we have erased this iPhone option as well. Now, in case you can't or don't want to use settings in order to factory reset your iPhone 17 Pro or Pro Max, then you can also use iCloud. So in my case, I went to iCloud.com and I signed into my Apple account. And over here, if we scroll down, you should be able to find the Find My App. So we can click over here in order to open the app on our browser. And then on the left side, you will be able to find your iPhone. You can select it in order to open this menu. And then over here, we have the erase options. We can click over here in order to erase all the data from our iPhone. Besides that, we can also use our computer. And to do that, we also need to use the USB cable. So we need to connect our iPhone to our computer using the USB-C cable. And after that, we need to turn off our device. So we need to hold the side button and either volume button. I'm going to use volume down. Hold for like 2 seconds or so, and then slide over here to the right side in order to shut down the phone. We will need to wait a couple of seconds to let the iPhone completely shut down, and after just a couple of seconds you can press and hold the side button again, and you need to keep holding this button until you see the recovery mode. So let's press and hold the side button, and even if you see the Apple logo, you want to still hold the side button. There we go, this is what we are looking for. Now, if you have Mac, then it's a little bit easier to factory reset your iPhone with your computer, because on your Mac you can just open the Finder. You want to switch to the Finder, and then you will probably see the information that something is wrong or there is a problem with your iPhone, and you will find the option to restore iPhone, and this is the option that you want to use. Unfortunately, I don't have Mac, so I cannot really show you how it looks like, but I'm pretty certain you should be able to easily locate that option. If not, then in the Finder you can select your iPhone from locations, and then we have the restore option as well. And on the other hand, if you use Windows, then you can factory reset your iPhone with Windows as well. You just have to get Apple devices or iTunes from Microsoft Store. Personally, I prefer Apple devices. I just find it a little bit better. I just think it's a better app. And once you install it, you want to, of course, open the app. And you should be able to see a similar message that there was a problem with the iPhone or something like that, and you want to choose a restore option. And if for some reason you don't have this message, then you can simply select iPhone over here on the left side, go to General, and then over here we have the restore iPhone option as well. And in case there is nothing in here, then you might need to unplug and plug the USB cable again. And so if you choose restore iPhone, you should be able to erase everything and start from the first setup again. And that is pretty much it. These are all, at least major methods, the most popular methods that allow you to hard reset your iPhone 17 Pro and Pro Max. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.